factory tour. Oh, I forgot to tell you who my name was. I'm John Gammon here. I forgot to say that right away. I'm actually in charge of the design for the Vita and the Navions. Yeah, it's one of the original motorhomes. It certainly has that old style Formica sink. Ah, yes. Remember this color? It's pretty cool. This is the new Mercedes chassis, 2019
Same engine, different transmission. So it will have a 7-speed transmission. The transmission will come with a 100,000 mile warranty versus the 50,000 mile.
Oh, all right.
And there was some time, I think we talked about it a year ago.
Do you like the chassis?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
All right.
Stylish and modern. Really cool.
It's got all this lane change stuff too.
Oh wow.
Look at that, cameras and stuff to keep you in the lane and whatnot.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, I wonder if
it's very high end. It's where you put your phone.
Oh, now that is really nice with you.
It's totally charging. My phone's charging right now.
Really?
Yeah, sure is.
How cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working, Ron. My phone's charging.
Okay, cool.
Just sitting there. See the battery light up. Ready?
Yeah.
The battery should. There it is.
Look at that touch screen and everything.
Look at the resolution on that.
Wow.
That's very nice.
Well, come move on over here, Ron.
Yeah, come on, get in the driver's seat.
So just keep rotating over.
Electric seats.
Yeah, I saw that. That's cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The steering wheel. Got volume controls. And cruise control. Well, this is...
I think we talked about it a year ago.
Worked hard all my lifetime, no help from my friends. So, Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes Benz?
Turn on seat heater.
Looks pretty nice. Yeah, I think this is the Porto. It's the new lower cost model. Huge slide out. And they have the generator up here. Alright. 24F. This is sort of like the J model with the bed in the back. And the bathroom. Nice big bathroom. Has a compressor refrigerator in the new ones. So the refrigerator looks bigger. So that's cool. And the freezer, that's deeper also. So it's nice, but they do use a lot of power, so can't really avoid that.
Hopefully you got something out of the other seminars. Thank you very much for the hats, Mercedes. And the great presentation there. And I don't want to hold anybody up. I might jump in a little bit and talk some more, but let's go ahead and start eating. Let's start from the middle today.
What we're going to do tonight, which even goes to... Coach Rally in 2018.
Nice.
Mike's Precision Painting in Hammond, Indiana.
211,400. When do you get the red hat? Oh yes, he has his own handles. Yes, he does.
Red hat.
What's your name?
Oh yes.
Oh, Amy Mook, and I have a 2006 H I bought it brand new 12 years ago, and I've told others I've been in every state except Hawaii.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Which Beetle leads the way on the front of the Abbey Road album cover? Sorry, tongue twister.
Get their picture.
Yes.
Now this can't be pure widows, right?
No, us three were the widows.
We're the
Yeah.
widows of
Husbands
Winnebago
work for the company,
husbands.
But they've been over here. They
Oh, there's nobody over there actually.